I'm pastry chef Maria Kemp of Beyond Decadence, and welcome to Mastering the Details, a video series to teach you tips and tricks to make you more successful in the kitchen. What I'm here to talk about today is KitchenAid mixers and the attachments. Now, I'm in my commercial kitchen today, so we have KitchenAid mixers of all different sizes. But I want to talk about the attachments and the difference between the two. When there are 3 attachments you will get with your KitchenAid mixer. You'll get this one, which I'll talk about in a minute. You'll get this one, and then you'll get this one. Okay, now let's talk about the difference between them. Now, we have KitchenAids in all different sizes, so we have these attachments in different sizes as well because they fit different mixers. So that's important to know if you're ever ordering replacement parts, that you order the ones for the model that you have, or they won't fit. So, and then the last one are these. So let's talk about this first. This is the whip, the wire whip attachment. And this is what recipes will call for you to use if they want you to whip the ingredients, or they want you to incorporate a lot of air and a lot of volume. So these are the whip attachments. You can see I have 2 different sizes because this fits a smaller mixer, this fits a larger one, and they are not interchangeable. So just make sure that you know that. So that's attachment number 1. Attachment number 2 is one of the most common. This is called the paddle. When they want you to beat something, where you're just incorporating a lot of ingredients together, or whether they tell you to stir, but you can use your mixer to do that, you use the paddle attachments. Like I said, we have about 3 different sizes down here. So this fits a smaller one, this fits a bigger one, not interchangeable once again. So this is your paddle attachment. Then the last one is the hook attachment. These happen to look identical. So they fit the same type of mixer. But the hook attachment is the one that you'll use for dough. So if you're making bread, that's where you're most commonly going to use the hook attachment. And when you use the dough hook attachment, your mixer is not on full blast. You usually don't put it past number 2 or 3, which is your speed. So it's a very low speed typically. But this is the hook attachment. Like I said, we have different sizes, different mixers, and the hooks aren't interchangeable. We've got a big 40 or 60 quart one over there, and the dough hook for that is like that big and is really heavy. So these are the different attachments that you'll have with your KitchenAid mixer and what they are most commonly used for. Please turn your notifications on so you'll be notified when I post another video on mastering the details. And until then, I'll see you next time.